Good morning, my dear children. The last video we learned about the preparation of sulfuric acid, the reactions of sulfuric acid, lot of equation for the reaction, and the uses of sulfuric acid. What are the uses? What are the applications? This video, this class, we are going to learn about the test for sulfuric acid. What are the test for sulfuric acid? Our learning objectives to learn about the test for sulfuric acid and also oxo acids of sulfur compounds, sulfuric acid. Structure, what are the structures of sulfur compounds? The first one is the test for sulfuric acid. That means sulfate ion radicals, to how to find out the test for sulfate radicals. Sulfate radicals, SO4 minus radicals. Here the reaction between barium chloride and sulfuric acid. Barium chloride formula is BaCl2, barium chloride. With the dilute sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. This undergoes react to form. One of the barium combines with sulfate. Barium combines with sulfate to form barium sulfate. It's a white color, white precipitate. And also the evolution of hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid. This is the first reaction. Next about the reaction between sulfuric acid and lead acetate, Pb, CH3COO twice. That is CH3COO twice, Pb, lead acetate. With sulfuric acid, we get lead sulfate and also acetic acid. Lead sulfate, the formula is PbSO4 and also acetic acid formula CH3COOH. Acetic acid, the IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Am I right? Ethanoic acid. Okay, these are the two equations. How to find out the sulfate radicals. How to find out the sulfate radicals. Okay, it's a very important question. Repeating board exam question. Repeating question. Very important question. How to find out the sulfate radicals. Okay. Please all of you take a note and we can write the equation. It's very important. Okay, the reaction between barium chloride. What is the formula for barium chloride? BaCl2. Barium chloride with sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Sulfuric acid. This barium combines with sulfate. To form BaSO4 precipitate. Give the arrow mark down. Precipitate. It's a white precipitate. Barium sulfate is a white precipitate. Okay. And also hydrogen combines with the chlorine to form HCl. How much hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogen. So one of the very important question. Repeating board exam question. Okay. Carry it out. Barium chloride combines with the sulfuric acid. We get barium sulfate plus hydrochloric acid. The second equation is the reaction between lead acetate. The formula for lead acetate is CH3COO twice Pb. Lead acetate, clear? Lead acetate on reaction with sulfuric acid. The same like that only. Lead combines with sulfate to form PbSO4. PbSO4 is also a white precipitate. And also the hydrogen combines with the acetate ion to form acetic acid, that is CH3 COOH, acetic acid. Clear? The hydrogen combines with the CH3, COOH to form this acetate and plus hydrogen, H plus ions to form acetic acid. This is a reaction. Next about what are the structure of oxo acids of sulfur? Structure. The learning activities one is over. This is the board exam. Repeating board exam question. And also next one is the structure of sulfur compounds, otherwise called we can oxo acids of sulfur. Of sulfur compound. Okay. The first one is sulfurous acid. One is sulfurous, structure of sulfurous acid. Here the formula for sulfurous acid, the molecular formula is H2SO3. H2SO3. The structure is, please all of you learn the structures, but you should be understand the ordinary structure and also electron dot structure. But in our syllabus not having the electron dot structure, but only the structure having. Just one or two electron dot structure I am explaining. The remaining you will do it. Okay. First about the sulfurous structure. Here hydrogen, atomic number of hydrogen is equal to 1. Atomic number of sulfur is equal to 16. First shell we can be accommodate 2 electrons. Second shell we can be accommodate 8 electrons. Third shell we can be accommodate the remaining 6 electrons. And also oxygen atomic number is equal to 8. First shell we can be accommodate 2 electrons. Second shell the remaining 6 electrons. Okay. First to draw the structure, you should be write the element. Sulfur atom is the center. Okay, sulfur atom is the center. How much oxygen is there? 3 oxygen. Make it 3 oxygen. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 oxygen. And also how much hydrogen is there? Only 2 hydrogen. So hydrogen. Here. Okay, for here I have single oxygen is there, so make it here double bond. Make it double bond. This is the structure of sulfurous acid. How can you draw the electron dot structure? Electron dot structure. That means this is sulfur. Here having oxygen element. I told you that oxygen having outermost electron is 6. So make it 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Sulfur having 6 electrons, outermost 6 electrons. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Outermost 6 electron. And also this is for oxygen. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Next one I have hydrogen. Okay. Next about sulfur. This side, sulfur, oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next about hydrogen. Hydrogen is all small, okay? Otherwise is small round. Okay. Next about the sulfur, please count the sulfur. Oxygen is 8 electrons, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is to attain inert gas configuration. Okay? But this is also, it is also correct to attain inert gas configuration. Okay. And also here having double bond, so again you should make what? 2 more electrons. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sulfur having 6 electrons. By taking these electrons, now also sulfur also getting how much electron? 8 electrons. Am I right? How much electron? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here having 2 pair of electrons, so it becomes double bond. Okay, right? Clear? Here oxygen having 8 electrons. Okay, like that we can do. Okay, but anyhow, you no need to draw the electron dot structure. You should be draw this diagram only this diagram. Okay, clear? Only this diagram is enough. This is only for the understanding. Okay, anyhow, this is the structure for sulfurous acid. Okay, next one is structure of sulfuric acid. Structure of sulfuric acid. What is the structure formula for sulfuric acid? H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Here having 4 oxygen. How much oxygen is there? 4 oxygen. That is, sulfur is surrounded by 4 oxygen. 4 oxygen. Okay. And also 2 more hydrogen. Here oxygen is occupied singly, so make it double bond. Can you do? Both of oxygen are occupied singly, so make it a double bond. Clear? Oxygen sulfur bond is double bond. Oxygen sulfur bond is double bond. Okay? Clear? Have a doubt? No doubt. Next one is thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid. The structure of thiosulfuric acid. That is H2S2O3. What's the formula? H2S2O3. Thiosulfuric acid. How much hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogen. Sulfur, 2 sulfur. Oxygen, 3 oxygen. So how can you draw the formula, the structure? Okay. First center atom is sulfur. Again one more sulfur is there. So maybe sulfur. How much oxygen is there? 3 oxygen. Okay. 1, 2, 3 oxygen. So how much hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogen. Make it the 2 side. 1 hydrogen, second hydrogen. Okay, oxygen is occupied singly, so make it double bond. Sulfur also double bond. Okay, this is the structure for thiosulfuric acid. OH, sulfur, sulfur, oxygen. Clear? Can you do? Next one is dithionous acid. Dithionous acid. Dithionous acid, the formula is H2S2O4. What's the formula? 2O4. What's the formula? H2S2O4. So, how can you write? How much sulfur is there? 2 sulfur. How much oxygen is there? 4 oxygen. How much hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogen. So, first you draw sulfur, sulfur. Next, oxygen. Oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. That means 2 hydrogen is over, 2 oxygen is over. What's the remaining? 2 more oxygen. Oxygen, oxygen. Okay? Then this now oxygen is occupied on single, so make it double bond. This oxygen occupied on single, make it double bond. Can you draw? Here, this is the structure for dithionous acid. Dithionous. Can you draw? Okay. Next about disulfurous acid. Disulfurous acid. Formula is H2S2O5. H2S2O5. Okay. Otherwise called pyrosulfurous acid. H2S2O5. How can you draw? How much hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. How much sulfur? 2 sulfur. How much oxygen? 5 oxygen. So, sulfur, sulfur. Can you draw? Sulfur, sulfur. OH, OH. Then hydrogen over. Then remaining how much oxygen is there? 3 more oxygen, am I right? 2 over. That is 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen. Clear? 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen. Total how much oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oxygen. Sulfur oxygen. Then how can we balance here? Here sulfur, oxygen are single, so make a double bond. Oxygen are single, make a double bond. Oxygen occupy single, so make a double bond. Now it is balanced. Am I right? Have a doubt? Have a doubt? No doubt. Next one. Disulfuric acid. Disulfuric acid. The formula for disulfuric acid is H4S2O7. Okay. Disulfuric acid H2S2O7. H2S2O7. That means 7 oxygen atom is there. 7 oxygen atom. So how can you draw? How much sulfur is there? 2 sulfur. So sulfur, here I have 7 oxygen. So in between other sulfur make it oxygen. Okay, in the center we can take what? Oxygen. Next, how much hydrogen? 2. Then OH. Now hydrogen is over, sulfur is over, then how much oxygen is remaining? That means 1, 2, 3 over. Then we have how much? 4 more oxygen. Okay, that is sulfur oxygen, sulfur oxygen, sulfur oxygen, sulfur oxygen. So how much oxygen is over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 oxygen is over and also 2 sulfur is over and also 2 hydrogen is over. How can you make the bond? Single occupy oxygen, make it 2. Double bond, double bond, double bond, double bond. Now it is balanced. Am I right? Next about peroxymonosulfuric acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid, okay? Peroxymonosulfuric acid formula H2SO5, H2SO5. Peroxymonosulfuric acid. Here how much oxygen is there? 5 oxygen. Am I right? 5 oxygen. Sulfur 1 and also having hydrogen 2. How can you draw this? Take the central atom is what? Sulfur. Sulfur is the central atom. Okay. Next OH. Next O. Next you write O. Next again OH. So 3 oxygen is over. What's the remaining oxygen? 2 more. Make it oxygen. Oxygen. How can you give the bond? Oxygen are occupy single, so make a double bond. Double bond. Now it is balanced. Okay. Next one is peroxodisulfuric acid. Peroxodisulfuric acid. The formula is H2S2O8. 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 This is the formula for peroxodisulfuric acid. How can you draw this one? How much sulfur is there? 2 sulfur. How much sulfur is there? 2 sulfur. Okay. Peroxy means there in between sulfur you should be give 2 oxygen. For example, barium peroxide, hydrogen peroxide, like that 2 oxygen is coming, right? Here also you make it 2 like that. Sulfur, oxygen, sulfur. That I am saying 2 oxygen. In between sulfur, you make it how much oxygen? 2 oxygen. Next this side OH. Clear? Then sulfur. How much oxygen is there? 8 oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4 over. What's the remaining? 4 more. Okay. Sulfur oxygen. Okay. All the oxygen is occupied single, so make it double bond. Double bond. Now it is balanced. Clear? Clear? Next one is dithionic acid. Next one is dithionic acid. Dithionic acid. Formula is H2S2O6. H2S2O6. What's the name of the compound? Dithionic acid. Formula H2S2O6. Okay. How can you draw this one? How much sulfur is there? 2 sulfur. So make it 2 sulfur. Sulfur, 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 sulfur. Then how much hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogen. OH, OH. So out of 6, 2 over. What's the remaining? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? Then how can we balance here? Oxygen have to be single. So make it double bond, double bond, double bond, double. So that is also over. Next about polythionic acid. Polythionic acid formula H2SN+2O6. Okay. Poly means more than 2 we are saying poly. Okay, more than 2 we are saying polythionic. And the formula is H2SN+2. Okay, SN+2O6. What's the name of this compound? Polythionic acid. Polythionic acid. Okay. Here that means n times of sulfur. N plus 2. N times of sulfur. Okay. We can recognize n means numbers. One of the number. Just we are taking. Suppose we are taking n is equal to 1. What's the answer? N is equal to 1. So yes, 1 plus 2. So yes is equal to how much? 3. That is sulfur atom is 3. 3 sulfur atom. Am I right? So make it yes, yes, N, yes. Here yes, yes, and yes. Okay. Then how much hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. The oxygen. OH, 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 OH. Then how much oxygen remaining? Out of 6, 2 over. What are the remaining? 4 more. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also over. Next about the bond. Oxygen exists freely, so make it double bond, double bond, double bond, double bond. Okay. These are all the structures of sulfuric acid. That is sulfur compounds. You should be take practice. Okay, take practice. Sometimes it may be asked in the one word question. Okay. Next about our next learning objective. To learn about halogen group. Halogen group. To learn about what? Halogen group. Here the halogen group is group number 17. Group number 17 are called as what? Halogen group. Here, which are the elements present in group number 17? From top to bottom. Which are the elements present in group number 17? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. We are taking one number syllabus. We have chlorine. Okay, anyhow, what is the symbol of chlorine? Cl. Cl is the symbol of chlorine. The halogens are present in combined form. Combined form. Okay, which form? Combined form. They are highly reactive. Halogens are present in a combined form. They are highly reactive. Okay. The main source of fluorine is fluorospar or fluorite. Fluorite. Okay, fluorospar. Okay. Here next one is the main source of chlorine. This is very important. Chlorine is in aqua, mostly aqua in seawater. Okay, seawater. Seawater, the maximum major component is what? Sodium chloride, NaCl. NaCl. NaCl is the sodium chloride from seawater. And the bromides also, bromides and iodides also occur in where? Seawater. Bromides and iodide are occur where? Seawater. seawater. These are the main sources about. Next about the physical properties of chlorine compounds. Physical properties. What are the physical properties? Okay. That means please all of you take the textbook. Please all of you turn over the textbook page number. What's the page number? Take the page number 82. Page number 82. Please all of you turn over the page number 82. What are the physical statements, physical properties of chlorine? Page number 82. Okay. Properties such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene. These are all about the having. And about fluorine is a gas, chlorine is a gas, bromine is a liquid, and iodine is a solid. And also having the atomic number. And about the isotopes also very important. About that fluorine, chlorine having two isotopes, and acetylene also having two isotopes. And about the atomic mass and also having the electronic configuration. Already I told you about that, how to write the electronic configuration, and also having one way question for the atomic radius density, melting point, boiling point. These are all for the one way question. Okay, one way question about that. What are the physical properties of chlorine? What are the physical properties? What are the physical properties? First one, it is a highly reactive. It is a highly reactive. Physical properties of chlorine is highly reactive. It is a highly reactive. It does not occur in free in nature. It does not occur in free nature. Okay. Next about the most important chlorides is sodium chloride. Already I told you about that. It occurs in sodium chloride. That is in seawater. These are the physical properties of chlorine. Next about the preparation. Very very important question. Preparation of chlorine. Preparation of chlorine. Preparation of chlorine. How can we prepare chlorine? By the reaction between sodium chloride and manganese oxide. Manganese dioxide. Sodium chloride. What is the formula for sodium chloride? NaCl. NaCl plus manganese dioxide formula MnO2. MnO2. In the presence of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It's a very very important question. How is chlorine prepared? By the reaction between sodium chloride and manganese dioxide, the presence of sulfuric acid, we get chlorine. Okay, we get chlorine plus this Mn combines with Cl. Mn combines with Cl. Can you say what is the answer? Mn combines with Cl to form MnCl2. Am I right? MnCl2. Manganese chloride. Manganese chloride. And also sodium combines with bisulfate, that is sulfuric acid. The sodium combines with HSO4. Also, what is the product? NaHSO4. NaHSO4. Sodium combines with bisulfate to form NaHSO4. This hydrogen combines with O, oxygen to form water. Here, how can we balance the equation? The balance the equation is very very important. How can you balance the equation? That means here having 2 chlorine, here also having 2 chlorine. 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine. 2 plus 2, 4. So make it 4 here. So how much sodium is there? 4 sodium. How much sodium is there? 4 sodium. So make it 4 sodium here. 4 sodium. Now how much sulphate is there? How much sulphate? 4 sulphate. So make it 4 here. Okay. Now about the water. Hydrogen. How much hydrogen is there? 4 2s are 8. Already 4 over. What's the remaining? 4 2s are 8. 4 over remaining is 2. This method is how can you balance the equation. Okay. By using this number you can use the balance the equation. Make it fast. Very very important question. Sodium chloride on reacts with manganese dioxide in the presence of sulfuric acid. We get chlorine and also manganese chloride and sodium bisulfate plus water. This is the equation about the preparation of chlorine. And also we have a lot of equation. Already I told you about that. There are many equations we have. But I don't. It is. If you are taking return practice, it is okay. We can write all the equation. Otherwise, you should learn at least 2 or 3 equations is enough. Okay, 2 or 3 equations. We can discuss one by one. At least you should learn any 2 equations. Okay, because we have thousands of equations having. First one, the reaction between lead oxide. What is the formula for lead oxide? PbO2. Lead oxide. Okay, that means lead dioxide. You can say lead dioxide. Lead dioxide on reacts with hydrochloric acid. Okay, so what's the product? This hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. So what's the product? PbCl2 form PbCl2. Okay, PbCl2. And also hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. And also chlorine is also obtained. So how much chlorine is there? 2 chlorine. There is 4 chlorine. Make it 4 here. Okay. So hydrogen how much? 4 hydrogen. Make it 2 here. Now the equation is balanced. Can you write first equation? The reaction between lead dioxide with hydrochloric acid. We get lead chloride and water and also chlorine. And also the reaction between manganese dioxide MnO2. Manganese dioxide with hydrochloric acid. Manganese dioxide with hydrochloric acid we get chlorine. That is chlorine we can be prepared. And also the Mn combines with the chlorine to form MnCl2. Mn combines with the chlorine to form MnCl2. That is manganese chloride. Okay. Plus hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. And how can you balance the equation? 2 chlorine, 4 chlorine, we get 4. Make it 4. How much hydrogen is there? 4 hydrogen, so make it 2 here. Now the equation is balanced. I think that 2 equation is enough. Those who are need more means, you call me, I will help you next about. From bleaching powder. From bleaching powder, how will you prepare chlorine? That's the question. From bleaching powder. Bleaching powder means we are saying about the calcium oxychloride. Okay. Calcium oxychloride. The formula is CaOCl2. Calcium oxychloride formula CaOCl2. Calcium oxychloride. That's a bleaching powder. It on treatment with hydrochloric acid. We are treatment with mineral acids such as hydrochloric acid and also sulfuric acid. We are taking 2 mineral acid. Which are the mineral acid we are taking? Hydrochloric acid and also sulfuric acid. Okay, that's calcium oxychloride. That is called bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. Okay. The reaction between calcium oxychloride formula CaOCl2. Calcium oxychloride with hydrochloric acid. One of the mineral acid. With hydrochloric acid, we get here the calcium combines chlorine to form calcium chloride. First chlorine molecule is leaving out, chlorine molecule is obtained plus calcium combines the chlorine to form calcium chloride, and also hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. Hydrogen combines oxygen to form water. Then how much chlorine is there? How much chlorine? Here also having 2 chlorine, here also having 2 chlorine. 2 chlorine is over, so make it 2 here. Okay. Now the equation is balanced. Next about calcium oxychloride, that's a bleaching powder with mineral acid, the king of acid. Okay, king of acid means sulfuric acid, HQ2SO4. What's the product? This calcium combines with sulphate to form calcium sulphate, and hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water, and also chlorine is obtained. Cl2 plus calcium sulphate plus water. Okay, these are the important question, and also especially the preparation of chlorine. Preparation of chlorine molecule is very, very important from sodium chloride. Preparation of chlorine, and also test for sulphate. Test for sulphate is also very, very important question. And also for today assignment. For today assignment, number 1, test for sulphate. The 2 equation must you write 2 equation. The 2 equation, and also next one is the preparation of chlorine. Preparation of chlorine. Preparation of chlorine, that means reaction between sodium chloride, NaCl and MnO2, the presence of sulfuric acid. Okay, these are the 2 assignment. All of you should learn this question. Anyway, thank you all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.